Hello, welcome back to Ivandepot channel. Today I would like to show you my collection of the SEIKO Sumo watch, which is the limited edition with the reference number SPB344J1, which is in front of us. Okay, let me unbox first. Remove the sleeve. Okay. This is the inner box with the warranty card and instruction. Yes, okay. This is the SEIKO PROSPEX box. It's the long shape. Let's open up. Inside here is a blue color with the limited edition here, and it will engrave the limited number in the case back of the 1000 pieces. Here we go. This is the watch, the blue color, very nice dials. Okay, this watch comes with extra rubber strap, which is in blue rubber and rose gold bucket and strap here. Very premium look and nice matching with the watch itself. Okay, this is the extra link which I already resized for my wrist. Here you go. It comes with the rose gold bezel with the blue, I think this is not ceramic, aluminium insert with the rose gold index as well. Here the 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Inside there the hour mini hands and second hand, also in rose gold. I need the focus of the dials. It's very nice looking. Let me zoom in. Okay. Wow, that's beautiful. It looks like the pyramid with multi-layer. So you can see the different reflection from the light source. There's a PROSPEX logo inside here at 6 o'clock, and this 200 meter of water resistant diver watch, and it comes with the 6R35 movement with the 70 hours of power reserve, made in Japan. Okay, the crown also comes with rose gold. Very premium look for me. Your high polish here. This is a brass surface, 4 sides. Beside here also in polish. This is a case back with the limited number engraved here. Yeah, over 1000. This is the limited edition. And come with sapphire crystal. The bracelets wise come with double clasps with secure clips. Okay, and you also can extend from here. Oh, sorry. Stand from here when you go diving and wearing the diving suit to prolong the bracelet size. Okay, Let me take the measurement of the watch. The case is 45 mm, lug to lug. $51 mm. Okay. The lug size around 20. The thickness of the watch from top to bottom is about 12.6 mm. Okay. Next, let me show you on the wrist. My wrist size is 6.5. Okay. Alright. The wrist size is 6.5 for me. And this looks like when wearing it. The case size is very firm with the nice curve, and there's no gap here. Very comfort to wear. I believe the rubber strap will be more comfort. Okay. Next, let me show you the room shot of the watch. Here you go, this is the room of the SPB344J1. Very nice, and it used the Lumibrite coating from SEIKO. Looks very good. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Hope you like the video of this rare watch. Thank you.